from Mobility Scooters Direct. And today I'm going to show you how to access the battery on your Pride GoGo or a heavy-duty Pride mobility scooter. It's quite simple to do so depending on what kind of scooter you have. We're going to start with a travel scooter, and I'm going to show you how to access the batteries just in case you need to replace them. Like most scooters, they have a battery box. You take the chair off and you lift the box. This is actually a battery box with 2 batteries inside of it. Now, if you need to take the batteries out, you'll have to flip the box over. So I'm going to lay this towel down so we don't scratch the shroud. And I'm going to carefully put it upside down. Now, from the top, you might notice that there's 1, 2, and then on the back, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. And that's where a long screwdriver is going to come into play. So I'm going to grab this Zorro-like screwdriver. You don't need such a long one, but I'll tell you why I have a long one. It's so I don't have to bend over to unscrew these. I can actually just stand up and start to unscrew them. Now you're going to have to go through the process of unscrewing each one, and we'll fast forward through this part and come back when they're all out. Once you have all the screws out, you can go ahead and carefully flip it over. Make sure you don't lose the screws. Should be 6 that fall out. Then you simply remove the shroud cover or shroud covers to access 2 more screws. One there, one there. At this point, you've completely exposed the batteries. And this is a perfect example of one battery that's showing some aging and corrosion here. So when you see something like that, you may need to diagnose and troubleshoot your battery individually with a voltage meter, which we will provide you with instructions on how to do that in a separate video. For this video, we just wanted to show you how to access your batteries so that you can replace them if you need to. At this point, all you need to do is take a screwdriver, get a bolt, socket wrench, or a pair of pliers to unscrew the nut from the bolt on each battery, positive and the negative, and simply connect them the same way you disconnected them with the new set of batteries. Pretty straightforward. Now, if you have a different type of situation, for example, let's say you own a Revo, it actually has 2 battery boxes. The process is very similar. Obviously, you're just going to have to do it twice because with these types of setups, you have 2 battery boxes, and underneath you'll find the 6 screws. You can take it apart, and it's the same style of setup, only you have 2 battery boxes instead of 1. This is a heavy-duty scooter known as the Victory Sport LX. This scooter has a bigger seat, pops off just like the other ones, and to access the batteries, you actually don't need to take apart anything with a screwdriver. You simply grab from the outside, stretch them apart, and lift up, and you've got your batteries exposed. With these batteries, as you can see, you just need to take off that bolt using a socket wrench or a pair of pliers to replace the batteries with brand new ones. So actually, with the heavy-duty scooter like this one, it's a little bit easier. You take off the cover, and you've got access to your batteries. I hope this has been helpful in showing you how to access your batteries in the event that you need to replace your battery on a travel, full size like the Revo, or even a heavy-duty scooter like the Victory Sport LX. So in conclusion, for today's video, I want to leave you with a few tips. One, it takes about at most 2.5 years for batteries to reach their end life if you're using your scooter every single day. Try to avoid letting the battery drain down to dangerously low levels. Top it off when you go to sleep at night. It's okay to leave it charging overnight, and don't leave it in extremely hot or cold temperatures for too long, because that could also decrease the longevity of your battery. Now, if you need further assistance, you want to learn how to optimize the battery life even longer, we have another video and a great blog post for that, which you can read up on or watch the video. Hopefully this has been helpful. We hope that if you have one of our scooters and you bought from us, if you have any issues with your batteries, don't hesitate to call us. We're here for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Sergio with Mobility Scooters Direct. Have a great day.